Okay, yes, my routine here. In this bowl, I have celery, I have ginger, I have beet, broccoli, cucumber, pineapple, bell pepper, green bell pepper. Yes, and that's I'm making a juice to repair, replenish, you know, repair and replenish the guts. Okay, so this is it. I'm gonna make so all mixed together. Yes, so everything in it. Yes, so that is it. This is a repair and replenish juice. Yes, so tag in to see the finished product. Okay, now so this is the juice I got from all that fruits and vegetables I cut up and blend. So in here it's pineapple, carrot, green bell peppers, ginger, lemon, celery, cucumber, beet, carrots. That's the mixture. So this is what I get. I didn't add a lot of water because you know most of the stuff have their juices. So this is it. So I have this container almost filled up with the cut up fruits, and I add like 3 cups of water. I do 3 times blending, 3 cups of 3 of this cup of water. So that's it. And this is 1 cup every morning before I eat anything. So blend up your juices, people. Blend up your fruits and juices and have a glass before you eat anything. It helps to repair and replenishes the guts. Okay? Have a nice day. Please subscribe to my channel.